Does your filter cloth clog, resulting in reduced performance and efficiency? HASLER Group has designed a high-pressure washing system to eliminate clogging, ensuring durability and productivity. Unlike conventional cloth washing systems that operate between 3 and 5 bars, the high-pressure cloth washing system designed by HASLER Group works at pressures of up to 100 bars. It is this high pressure that makes this deep cleaning possible. The system consists of an oscillating ramp and a high pressure pump unit. Ready to be installed out of the box, it is compatible with Filtres Philippe filters or any other brand of filters.